Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Last week we left you with this beautiful sunset. This week we go and explore the lighthouse and we try and find some seals, and we also move on to our next campsite, so stay tuned. So unfortunately for us, the first time we went down to the lighthouse, the tide was actually in. St Mary's Lighthouse is just north of Whitley Bay, on the coast of northeast England. A small rocky tidal island is linked to the mainland by this short concrete causeway, which is submerged at high tide.
You make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine.
Oh, and I'm not coming down.
And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're.
Okay, and just like magic, the tide has disappeared. Not really, we came back after dinner and the tide was out, so let's go look at the lighthouse.
So many times I wanted to.
Yeah, so this is where I was about to here, wasn't it? Yeah. That was how far we got the last time.
It's just you and I don't know why I feel this way.
Looks completely different when the tide is out.
Watching you smile, watching you smile.
So yeah, let's go and look at the lighthouse.
Now I can't get over you. I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time
So if you look closely, we did find a seal. In fact, we found quite a few.
I fall in love.
Look at this one, it even is waving at us.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you.
So morning, we are just getting ready to pack up, but I just thought I would show you our view for one last time. When we actually arrived, we actually thought we wanted one of these pitches down at the front, but you can see that fence, and that fence is actually the coastal path walk. So people walk up and down there quite a lot, and if you were parked down there, they can look right in. So I'm quite glad that we managed to get this pitch where we still have the view, but we don't have anybody looking straight in our van. So that is us, we're off the ramps, unhooked, all ready to go. One thing I did forget to say actually is, obviously the site is very on a slope, so you do need your ramps, but you aren't allowed any awnings, and there's obviously no tents. And this is the lane that I was telling you about that everybody's walking. So to be right down the front, they can look straight in your van. So yeah, I do actually prefer this pitch. So that is us. We are ready for moving. Jim's just away done the rubbish, and we're all packed away. Everything's all locked, ready for travelling, and we are heading to Bridlington campsite for 2 nights. As I said yesterday, it was rained all day. We did manage to get out a walk. We went to the lighthouse. So yeah, hopefully our journey on will not be too long, I think. So yeah, I think we've got about 2.5 hours to go, and that'll be us at our next destination. So we will catch you there. Yeah, they two are definitely the best pitches.
Yeah.
Right at the corner.
If it wasn't for
So we are just at the motorhome point, dropping lower water so we can travel with an empty tank. So yeah, that's our wastewater that we're dropping, and we've actually no water on board either. So we'll fill up at the next site as well.
Every guy I've met, we fell in love at a bad time. Getting insecure, questioning myself on the way down. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. Right now I need to take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller coaster. One week I am up.
So that's us arrived. Jim's just went in to the reception to check us in. We are at the service point, which is just as you come in here. This is the map. We are at Bridlington. So yeah, so we've just come in and we're just at the service point. So we're just going to fill up with water because we dumped it all before we came here. So yeah, it's not looking too busy actually, which is good. So I think we are any white pitches. So you obviously get your remap and Pinard with Caravan and Motorhome Club. They'll always give you a wee leaflet of local sites and places where to see and go. So the white peg is standing with awning, so we'll be able to get our awning up this time. Service with awning is red.
yeah.
And standard without awning is blue. There's obviously no a lot of serviced pitches. Quite a big site then if there's only
This is just a new bit, the bit on the other side.
149. So that is one of the toilet blocks. Is there 2 toilet blocks, did you say?
There's one as you come in.
And then that one there.
That's the new one.
So this is the new part that we're in. So it's us getting all set up. We are pitch 130. And we're right up the back, and as you can see it is really quiet. We just had a wee bit of a downpour. The sun is back out and it's lovely. There's Big Crab at Jim.
What's that?
It says there's Big Crab at Jim.
Crabby.
Eh?
Oh, crabby, there's some nice pictures over there by the way.
Like big pitches.
Aye, cracking big one. Longer than the same width or longer.
Such a difference for the last pitch, isn't it? That wee tiny thing.
Is it better with the sedges down?
Yeah. Right, I'm going to see if this is the bin up here. I mean, the pitches are massive. This is a Caravan and Motorhome Club site again. So you need to actually park your van, so you need to be in between the two white pegs. All the white pegs are hard standing, the red are fully serviced. So yeah, I think this is the bins up here, but I'm not too sure. Yeah. General waste. So yeah, I think it took us about 10.5 hours to get here. We are at Bridlington, I think I'm saying that right, and we are here for 2 nights, and then we move on to Nairburn for 3 nights, and then Rowntree at York for 3 nights as well. And we obviously have our token, because this was a caravan and motorhome site as well. So another one for the collection. So yeah, that is us all set up for 2 nights here. The Caddock is out, so it will be a barbecue tonight. And for tomorrow, I think we're going to take a wee walk into the town. But for tonight, yep, barbecue and chill for the rest of the night. So we'll catch back up with you in the morning. As you can see, it is absolutely bucketing down. It has not stopped all night and all day. Doesn't look as if we'll be getting anywhere today.
What are you doing, you crazy person? It's actually quite nice out there.
So, good morning. It is Thursday morning. It is moving day for us. It has eventually stopped raining. It rained all day yesterday. We are moving on to York this morning. What number are we? What number actually are we? 130. 130. So here we are, away up the top. But this is actually all the new bit. It is a really big site. The pitches are lovely and big. Over there, I don't know if you can see it, it's like a basketball court. I was going to take you up this morning, but there's kids already in there playing. There is bins just up there. I will take you a wee walk about the site before we go. You coming out? No?
No.
Okay, so that is our patch. We took the awning and that down the Monday night actually because it was so windy. Yeah. There are huge pitches. So that is the toilet block. We are right up at the top in the new bit. So I seem to have lost a lot of footage, and this is the end of the tour, so sorry guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. On our next one, we move to York and we celebrate Jim's birthday. But as always, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.